Okay, now we're getting to the fun stuff. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to perform an assembly procedure. Open a new Solidworks. Assembly. Click OK here. Now let's insert our first component. Click Browse. And I'm going to select this plate. Here's my preview. Click Open. And now click on the plate somewhere to activate it. Let's insert some more components. Again, click the Insert Component button. Now we'll browse for our next part. Insert this plate again. Left click to drop it somewhere. Now we're going to perform the mate procedure. Click the Mate tool. And let's mate this component to this component. As you see, the top component here can be freely moved. Let's select this surface and this surface. These two surfaces will mate. Click the check to accept it. As you can see, the top component still moves. We will need to create another mating. Let's mate this edge to this edge. Click Accept. Now you see that the component only moves forward or backward. Okay, let's do one more mating to get these two to fit. We will mate this edge to this edge. There we go. Click Accept. Now you see our component is perfectly oriented. Okay, let's click Accept. Let's insert some more components now. Here we can click on the Pin key to keep this property manager open. Let's insert a bolt. We're going to drop it with a left click. Okay, let's take this bolt and put it in this hole. Click the Mate tool. Select your surfaces. This cylindrical surface here will mate with this cylindrical surface here. Now I will accept this and choose this surface and that surface. Accept that mating as well. Okay, let's do it on the other side. We take this surface and this surface. Accept that. And finally, the cylindrical surfaces together. Okay, let's close the manager. Now, let's insert two more components. We need some nuts here. Just drop them down anywhere. And let's go get another nut. And insert it. Let's change some of these properties. We select Insert Component Properties. Let's change the properties on the second nut. M12. Click OK. These nuts and bolts are from the Solidworks library, and that's why I was able to change their properties. Okay, let's mate the nuts to the bolts. Click the Mate tool. Let's select the surfaces that we need to mate. Okay, and finally this surface to that surface. And click Accept. And now our part is assembled and perfectly aligned. This concludes our review of assembling a part.